I'll be crying. I can cry on cue if you want me to.
Got any A's?
Got any S's? Go fish. Should I say that's funny?
No, actually, that's really funny.
You can just say something and then just laugh.
Yeah, wait, is she not supposed to laugh?
No, I like how I'm just like,
But if I say something funny, you're gonna laugh.
yeah, just don't say
But I can't think of anything that's not funny. It's not coming out right now. But
Stop. Not say butthole.
Try not to trip.
yeah, let's not trip like you. I can't. Sorry. It's like when Bridget shows out, like.
They're so ugly, you guys.
Can we do that again? There's a fish. How are we supposed to dance?
I don't know.
I don't know. Like, we don't dance. Like, we don't dance though.
Finger dance?
Finger dance. I know. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened. Yeah, like I just have been having a really hard day lately, and like I'm so happy you're here for me, and like it means so much to me that you're here. And, like, this is so much fucking work to do. It's already like 7 a.m. We've been here all night. 13, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Back in action.
Just fucking pencil. Okay.
Oh my, look.
God fucking damn, that's insane.
Yeah, like, this
Hold on.
happened.
I could never be an actress, honestly. Okay.
And, yeah. I almost had it. This happened at school and it was really
I fucking hate you.
Okay, stop.
Collaborate and listen.
Okay, and then just like laugh at something.
It's so ugly.
Surely said